During these next lessons in this tutorial, you will look at the interface of iMovie and where the important features are located. You will have a quick lesson on how to create a movie in 2 minutes that I call 2-minute noodles. And then there are separate lessons on the libraries, the browser, and the project panes. You will see how to edit in detail with separate lessons related to the video and also to separate audio edits. And finally, there are lessons on where the files are on your hard disk, as well as a review that shows a sample edit. The very last lesson is for Final Cut Pro users so that they can create an XML file in Final Cut Pro and import that into iMovie for further editing. I hope you enjoy the lessons in this tutorial.